The Needlemakers pub, located on Kensington Street in Ilkeston, has a long and storied history dating back to the early 19th century. Originally established in 1829, the pub took its name from the needlemaking industry that was prominent in the area at the time. For over 190 years, the Needlemakers pub served as a popular gathering place for locals and visitors alike. It was known for its cozy atmosphere, friendly staff, and traditional pub fare. Many generations of families have made memories at the Needlemakers, enjoying a pint or two with friends after a long day's work. However, in recent years, the pub has faced challenges as the popularity of traditional pubs has declined. Unfortunately, due to a combination of factors including changing consumer preferences, increased competition from chain establishments, and rising operating costs, the Needlemakers pub was forced to close its doors for the last time in 2021. While the closure of the Needlemakers pub marks the end of an era, its legacy lives on in the hearts and minds of those who frequented it over the years. It served as a cornerstone of the community, bringing people together and providing a sense of camaraderie that will be sorely missed. As we bid farewell to the Needlemakers pub, let us remember the good times shared within its walls and the friendships forged over a pint. Though its physical presence may be gone, the memories created there will endure for years to come.